Good morning, children. Today we'll start with the second chapter in science, that is the food factory of plants. Food factory means where the food is made in plants. You have already learnt in previous classes that the plant makes its food in the leaf. So before going into the details of the chapter, first let us study a leaf. See, this is a leaf, and first you see this is the upper portion of the leaf, which is a bit shiny. The reason being it is covered with a waxy coating which protects the leaves from the loss of water. This flat portion of the leaf, it is called the leaf blade. This flat portion is called the leaf blade, and this pointed tip, it is called the leaf apex. You see that this is the upper portion of the leaf and this is the lower portion of the leaf. There is a difference between them. What are the difference? The upper portion of the leaf, it is darker in color, and the lower portion and it is also smooth, and the lower portion of the leaf, it is rough and light in color. Alright, now next you see what are the other things you find in the leaf. Here there is the midrib. This is called the midrib. The line which is running to the middle of the leaf, it is called the midrib. And there are other lines which is passing from the midrib to the side of the leaf. These are small tubes and they are called the side veins. If you see from the lower portion of the leaf, it is more prominent, the midrib and the side veins. The side veins are also attached to each other by smaller veinlets. And in between them, which you cannot see with your naked eyes, there are pores which are called the stomata, which helps in the exchange of gases. And also it helps in the transpiration, that is the movement of water from the leaf. Now first I will do, since I have already told you about the leaf, let us see what it is given here. Parts of a leaf. Observe the leaf. We have observed the leaf of, this is a jackfruit leaf. Okay, the top surface of the leaf is protected by a waxy coating. This coating protects the leaf and prevents loss of water. The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. The upper and lower sides of a leaf blade are slightly different in color. The upper side is smooth and dark in color, while the lower side is rough and light. There is a thin tube that runs through the middle of a leaf. This is called the midrib or the main vein. Some of the other small tubes that are attached to the midrib is called the side veins. These veins help in transporting water, minerals and food to all parts of the leaf and other parts of the plant. So this is the function of the midrib and the veins. They also provide strength to the leaf blade and help maintain the shape of the leaf. The underside of a leaf has many tiny pores called stomata. These pores are so small that we cannot see them with unaided eyes, or with naked eyes we also call it. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide enters the leaf through the stomata and oxygen and water vapor are released. During respiration, oxygen enters and carbon dioxide is released through the stomata. So today This is all about the leaf that we have studied, and now we will do the rest in our next class. Thank you, children.